Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. I'm going to show you how to manage your contact in your Realme C31. For this case, you need to go to your icon and search for the contacts icon here. Something like that. And there is a lot of option to make your contacts very well, but for now on the up corner you need to choose the seeing contacts from your device or from your SIM card. Yes, that's right. You can of course manage account on your device here by your Facebook account or something like that. And of course, if you want to export or import your contacts from your SIM card from another way, go to the fix and manage here, and there is an option import from the SIM card. We're gonna do this right now. Import from the file if you have some on your laptop. Export to file if you have some issue with your phone and you need to restart it. And their settings. The settings is about the view of your contacts. So for now we're gonna import from the SIM card. Okay, you can choose the contacts which you wanna import to your phone, and import 30 SIM contacts was imported here. So we can of course check it, go to your device, and as you see we have our contacts we're gonna create it, and of course option of the import from the SIM card. And that's it all about the manage contacts from your smartphone. If you like this movie, you can thumbs up, and see you by next video. Hey.